Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Uh, INI-CET 2023 Jan session. The schedule is out. Okay, as you already know, long back it was published, and they have also given the seat matrix. As per the schedule, on 10th, you will be getting the option to do the choice filling for mock round, and up to 12th you can do the choice filling. The mock round is just for checking like where you stand. Okay, and the actual choice filling will be happening on 15th, from 15th to 17th. The mock result will be published on 14th, and the result for first round will be published on 23rd. And then you can do the reporting up to 28th. And for the second round, announcement of the seat allocation will be on 6th of January. Okay, and you can do the reporting up to 10th. And open round, that is mop-up round, okay, which will be happening after round 2 seat allotment, and reporting will be on 13th of Jan. Okay, and online registration and choice filling for an open round will be happening from 14 to 18, and you will be getting the tentative seat matrix on 13th of January. Result of open round will be published on 27th, and date of reporting will be 31st of January. Okay, so 31st of January is the last date, okay, for open round. In the last round, last session actually, basically, which is July 2022 session, they conducted only 2 rounds. Okay, and many seats were vacant. So this schedule we must be knowing already. I want to do the comparison between the July 2022 session seat matrix versus January 2023 seat matrix, and we could see that around 275 to 300 seats are increased. Let me show you the brief about it. Here in the screen you can see the seat matrix for July 2022 session, and totally on the bottom you can see total number of seats 921, including all the AIMS, okay, and Jipmer, Nimhans, PGIMR Chandigarh, and all the AIMS, which includes New Delhi, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Nagpur, Patna, Raipur, Rishikesh, AIMS Bivinagar, Bhatinda, Devghar, and AIMS Mangalagiri. 921, including all the categories. And this is the seat matrix for AIMS Jan 2023 session. Okay, and totally if you add up the seats, it will be coming around 1270 something. Okay, which counts around 275 to 300 seats got incremented. Okay, AIMS Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Patna, Raipur. You can download the seat matrix from the notification section in AIMS exams website. Rishikesh, then Nagpur, Bhatinda, Devghar, and this AIMS Raebareli is the new one. AIMS Kalyani is the new one. AIMS Bilaspur is the new one. Okay, these 3 AIMS are added up. Okay, and other institutes. So there are a few changes compared to last session. They are going to conduct 3 rounds. Okay, and more importantly, we have around 300 more seats, which will also help you in like getting the seats in lower rank. In the next video, I will share the cutoff branch wise and category wise, which will be very important. And in case you are looking to get assistance in the counseling process, which we have been doing from many years for NEET PG as well as INI-CET, then you can contact us on the contact number 9319128677. The contact details is also mentioned in the description of the video. We will help you throughout the process. More importantly, those candidates who are having a decent rank in INI-CET, they must also be preparing for NEET PG 2023, which is not far. On 5th of March, the examination is going to happen. So we will also support for NEET PG 2023 as well. Okay, and you can be in touch with us from now until NEET PG 2023 counseling in case you don't get satisfactory result from the counseling of INI-CET. Okay, and there will be a group of people who already got seat in NEET PG 2022, and they also attended the exam, but in the exam they might not have got sufficient rank to get better seat than they have already uh, got from NEET PG 2022 counseling. So those candidates wouldn't be participating very interestingly, or they won't be very interested to participate in the counseling since they already have got seat through NEET PG 2022, and they are not expecting better seat than that through INI-CET counseling. So you can also get benefit out of it, because those candidates will leave their seat which they might get, and you can get a benefit out of it. Okay, how to do the choice filling, that's important part. Okay, for which branch, how to arrange the colleges, AIMS and other JIPMER, NIMHANS and PGIMER, Chandigarh, how to arrange it. Okay, so that you can get the best college, and in your rank, okay, what you can expect, and how you can progress through the process so that you don't miss out, okay, anything, or you don't get out of the eligibility. So there are many points that you should keep in mind, okay, which will be which I will be telling you throughout the process during the counseling for AIMS. Okay, so that's it from my side in this video. We will meet again with the last session cutoff, branch wise and category wise. So until then, goodbye and take care.